Hi there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here with my second project for Rinea for January 2020. So here I am with my Misty, and I am, can you guess what kind of card I'm doing? So I am using a stamp set from Prickley Pear. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. So this is called Hearts, and it is a red rubber background stamp. And I'm going to bring in my panel of foiled paper, of course. I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive down so that my paper doesn't move, in case I have to second stamp it. So there we go. I am going to, this is called, I believe this is, yep, this is the Ruby. It's gold on one side. There you go, gold on one side. And ruby on the other. I am using Ghost Ink 2.0. I just love what this does. I have used this in the past. I did a video in the fall. At least I think I did the video. I might have just made the project and not done the video. If I did do the video, I'll link it below. If not, I'll link to the blog post at least. So you just want to ink it up. But this Ghost Ink does some pretty amazing things. So you ink it up, and you can't see it. It's kind of clear. Let me move this over a little bit. There we go. Now, just want to rub, make sure I can get that impression. Move this over so that glare might stop a little bit from my lights. So how is 2021 treating everybody so far? Okay, can you see? Can you see that? It's so pretty. And I really like the way that that inked up, so I'm not going to do it again. I'll put that off to the side. I'll clean that up in just a minute. Now, I'm going to leave that set for a couple seconds, and I'm going to bring in my mini Misty because I have another stamping to do. This time I'm using another stamp from Prickley Pear. And this is, doesn't have a name to it, FF0159. And the sentiment is, if you have only one smile in you, give it to the people you love, by Maya Angelou. And so I have my panel here, and I'm going to bring in some VersaFine Claire in Nocturne. I'm hoping I can get this video in one take so I don't have to do a voiceover or anything. So, 2021. So far, so good. Personal life, anyways. Hope everybody else's is going as well. And I do like the way that's stamped. So, that will be the for that. Now I am going to bring this back in, and I'm going to bring in just a napkin and watch the magic happen. Look at that. Look at that. That Ghost Ink just pulls the color right off of the foil. I love it. So, there we go. Now, this card's almost finished already. Feels like we just started. I have a piece of fun foam that I've cut down to size to fit on the back of my panel, which I will add some adhesive. If it will let me. There we go. I could not find my my other tape. That's why I'm using this tape. And then we will put that right down on my card base. I'll turn it upside down so I can get a good smush there. And then for the sentiment, I'm also going to use a piece of foam across the back. And I did use red so that if somebody was to look at the card from the side, they will see the red foam, not a different color. And look at that. How easy was that? Beautiful, quick, easy, shimmery. And in 6 minutes, this project is complete, start to finish. Well, besides the couple minutes that I took cutting. Either way, this has been LeeAnn with Rinea, and everything will be linked down below. Have a crafty day.